No matter how good we are, we all have our agendas. But Duquesne University had no agenda except to help me succeed. My name is Dr. Ntasha Sethi. The name of the practice is Budding Smiles of Beaver. We are located in Beaver and we only work with kids because plenty of dentists are scared of kids. Me, they are the best kind of patients in the world. A lot of people find this surprising, but kids are supposed to come to the dentist at the age of 1. That first visit is more for the parents than for the child because most of the 1-year-olds are out to get me. But the parents, they get to be educated about how to take care of the teeth, how to take care of the mouth, how to look out for any issues, any problems. And from that point on, we get to see you every 6 months, twice a year. We look at your teeth. And as you get older, you get a little bit more comfortable. We get to clean your teeth, hopefully do some x-rays. And if we do find any trouble, cavities, any kind of issues, we try our best to fix them in the office. But a lot of the younger patients, they're more on the nervous side. And in those cases, we take them to the hospital for sedation. So some of the younger children with more extensive needs, they get to be asleep and we get to do the dental treatment that way. I don't want anyone to say, I hate going to the dentist. And that was my statement of purpose when I applied to dental school here. I want to eliminate that phrase. In the next generation, they will go to the dentist every 6 months and no fear of the dentist from the get-go, from the age of 1. It was so wonderful to have some support, people I could count on, and Duquesne University SBDC was the perfect choice. Because what I realized during this acquisition process, every vendor you talk to, lawyer, CPA, they have their own agendas. They are getting paid to give you advice. And no matter how good we are, we all have our agendas. But Duquesne University had no agenda except to help me succeed. And that's something money can't buy actually. So when I first bought this office, they were only working 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So now we are working Thursdays. We have 3 new hires, 3 new people we have hired. We had, I believe, 200 new patients last month. So now that we are taking new patients, we are working more hours. We have a whole flood of patients. Our hospital sedation is booked out till January. Hopefully it's just onwards and upwards. Anyone, no matter what business, should try to get a second outside opinion, and really no amount of help is enough. Because you think you can do it all, but you cannot. Not only do you not have enough time, you just don't have the knowledge and expertise to do it all. So I would recommend Duquesne SBDC to any entrepreneur of any field, not just dentistry. I mean, what more can a small business ask for, really? It's a difficult economy and it's difficult to be a small business, and any help is always appreciated.